Christina with PMA US Media. So I'm out here watching this guy back up to pick up this huge, I guess this is like a compost or trash bin. This is like a trash bin for the company, right? This thing is a trash bin for the company?
It's a trash bin.
So they put what? They put all kinds of stuff in there, or just cardboard or what?
This one here is just food.
Okay.
That one there is everything.
Oh, okay. So they have to. Okay.
Yeah, this one here they make
They have to
compost
split
out.
everything. They make what?
Compost.
Oh, for the ground.
Yes.
Oh, totally cool. What's your name?
Neil.
Neil. Hi, Neil. I'm Christina.
How you doing?
Say hi to the world.
How you
You're
doing,
gonna be on
world?
YouTube. Okay, Neil. Do your thing.
I'm ready.
And I see you have a. Is that a hydraulic tire right there?
This
one,
is
this
tag
front
axle.
one?
Yes.
So that's for if it's super heavy, right?
Yeah. When it's over 53,000 pounds,
How much
I have
do you
to put
get
that down.
up to? I get up to like 80,000.
I get to 73,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, a lot of food.
Yeah.
Okay, do your thing, honey. Thank you for letting me video you. Okay, so we're gonna see what he does over here. Looks like he has to go unhook some stuff here. Let me see what's going on. Oh, okay. He needs to unhook the hoses that I guess hold it in place. Seems that's what it is. And then we're gonna watch him back under this thing. This is for all you people who are interested in how things get done. I know a lot of people. I should have shut my truck off. Okay, we're good. Okay, I just shut my truck off. I'm sorry, guys. All right, here we go. So, it's got this thing on hydraulics, lifted up in the air. You see it right there. And this thing just crawls up there like a big slug. So there is the cable. You see the cable right there, guys? The cable right there, pulling it up slowly. It's pretty long. Jeez. Okay, so all the trash goes in there, and it gets into there, and then stuff like that, and the hydraulic goes down. And as this hydraulic floats up right there, it flattens out. Boom. So now I guess he's gonna take it away. All right, bye-bye. Thank you, Neil. That was crazy. Okay, so then when he comes back with an empty one, evidently, he'll pull over here and drop it, just the reverse of what he just did, obviously. And I guess up there is where all their trash goes in, and then he'll come back here and connect the hoses. I don't know what those hoses do. I should have asked them, but anyway, so there you are. All right, stay tuned to Life and keep learning. Christina Palamek with PMA US Media.